Okay, so I got the brake pedal attached. What I've got to do is just weld um, this together. The cat's liking it. Hey, buddy. I should be rolling soon. I tested out the track wheels, and they don't like to spin when they're up in the air. The whole thing goes. So that's a thing. But the brakes work. The handbrake is great. That obviously this has to be welded on. There's a lot that still needs to be done, but it's almost there. It's almost there. I should be rolling this week. But yeah, it's good to go.
Power on. 1. Power on. 1.